Hello YouTube. Today I am presenting to you a chainsaw. It's Stihl MS-181 from 2011. It is broken and I am going to fix it. It is not going to be so easy because I'm going to take all the parts out and clean very carefully, so that in this way to find out what the problem is. This chainsaw I just received from someone, and let's start by taking the cover off. Right now, the filter right here. Okay, it's really dusty. Now we're going to take out the carburetor adapter. We have two screws here, two nuts here, and one screw here. Okay, here's the carburetor. Remove it. Okay, now it have to come out. Okay, here we go. And here it is. This is the carburetor. I think here is the problem. I'm going to disassemble everything and clean it carefully, and I think I will solve the problem quite easily. With the brush, you know, this is what I'm using, a brush like this, and we can clean it, all the dust, just like that. Beautifully done. Okay, if you have a air pump, or actually do with that, but this is really a good solution for this operation. We're going to take this cover off also. Okay, look at that. Well, I'm going to clean it very carefully with this brush, you know, just like that. It's actually really stuck in here. It's clogged with chain oil and dust. Okay, it's enough. For now, I'm going to clean it later, much better. Now, just a thick layer, but what is left, I'm going to clean it later. Here also, we have the same problem. Look at that. Okay. Let's take this color off also. Take this now. This is very rusty. Now I'm going to clean it very well, and look at that, it's still working, you know. Yeah, and the chain, it's rusty also, but it is okay. I think I'm going to sharpening this one, and I'm going to use it. Okay, look here. Now I'm going to disassemble the carburetor to see if this is stuck with some dust or something, some wood dust. Let's open. Here's the membrane. doesn't look so good. If you see there, now this is a little bit, I don't know if you see, but it's kind of bulky on these parts here. If you see there, right there, yeah. I think I have to change this one. Looks okay here. Looks like this is moving. So I'm going to clean it well. I'm going to blow some spray on these holes. I have this carburetor spray, and I'm going to use it for cleaning. It's a very good spray for carburetors, or maybe if you have a air compressor, it's to blow some air on these holes. It will be just perfect. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and I'm coming back with what I did.